Hi, I'm Crystal. I did a video a little while back about using a die cut machine, and I got a follow-up question about how you know when it's time to replace your cutting plates. So this plate is pretty worn. It's still quite usable, and I will probably get a couple more months out of it, but I would definitely be putting a new plate on my shopping list within the next 90 days, I think. We're getting close to the end here. It's very marked up. Still usable, but very marked up. Now, this is the solid plate that comes with the machine, and the level of scratching here is not a problem, but that crack is. So the scratching indicates, the next 90 days, but that crack indicates today. This is going to break when I put it through the machine. Maybe not the next time, but soon. And those cracks, it's like having a broken phone screen. You can cut yourself on that, or you can get a splinter from that, and it's very unpleasant. So this is definitely a plate that has reached the end of its useful life. Time for it to go. The other way that you can tell that it's getting to be time to replace your plates without examining the plate itself is by taking a look at your die cuts. So this is a stack that I cut, and if I flip through it, it's not the big white chunks, which are the cutouts, but those little hairs that you see all over the table. Your die cuts get hairy. Time to go shopping. Thanks for joining me today.